Hey guys, welcome to my channel Fani Art by Aisha. You are watching acrylic painting series I designed particularly for you people who love to do acrylic painting but never know from where to get started. In today's video, we'll discuss some basic drawing tips so that it becomes easier for you to draw landscapes, flowers, animals, birds and whatever you want to draw as a basic sketch for your painting. So let's start our today's video. Please subscribe my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at Fani Art by Aisha or join my Facebook group Fani Art by Aisha community. So let's start our today's video regarding basic drawing tips for paintings. Sometimes beginners feel it difficult to draw various objects in their paintings, so all the objects can be drawn by converting them in these basic shapes. Here you can see I have drawn 5 shapes: a rectangular or oblong, a triangle, a square, circle and oval. These are the 5 basic shapes. You can use them to draw complex objects in your paintings in simple ways. You can draw oblong in different ways depending upon the objects in your painting. Circle without any circular object in a really simple way. I'll also demonstrate it in today's video. You can use smaller circles depending upon the size of the objects you want to draw, and in the same case of oval. So these 5 basic shapes will help you out to simplify the objects present in your paintings. So now we'll see how can you draw a straight line without using any scale or ruler. You need just a simple pencil. Just holding this pencil, not in this, not this. You are not going to write anything, you are doing a such as circle, and then you have to darken the circle where it is exactly circular. Second method to draw the circle is you have to hold the pencil in this way. Keep your femur on the paper and move the paper and pencil tip on the paper. So you can draw an exact shape of circle using this method. To create larger size circle, you have to keep femur your wrist on the paper instead of finger and move the pencil on the paper. Here you can see I have drawn a really simple arc using the same method. You can draw simple objects into 3D objects, keeping in mind the concept of light and shadow. Here you can see I have drawn a ball which is simple, but due to light and shadow it looks like a 3D object. In the same case of this box. So these are drawing objects for your paintings. I hope my today's video will be really helpful for you. So subscribe my channel Fani Art by Aisha because my message is to never stop learning. Thanks for watching the video and take care.